Friends, hello. Sorry for the long time no video, but this is my hobby and I don't have enough time for it. To make it easier for me to communicate with you in English, I will try to use a neural network. Let's check with you how well the neural network translates and whether you will understand what I say. I want to do an experiment with this speaker. What will be more effective and better sound? If we use one speaker or two such speakers, they are exactly the same. Or we can use 4 speakers in one loudspeaker. The optimum volume for this speaker, if we use a closed box enclosure, is 7 liters. You and I will also experimentally select a phase inverter tube for our speaker system. This speaker will play the mid and low frequencies. We will make the filter of the first order. For this purpose, we will use a coil of 1.5 mAgn rating. We will also use a first order filter for the high frequency driver. For this we need a 2 microfarad capacitor. Friends, everything I said was for the sake of example, so that I understand how well the neural network translates, and whether you understand me or not, please write in the comments. Bye. See you later.